Hey everyone, want to increase your transfer limit on Palmpay? It's super easy and I will guide you through it in just 1 minute. First of all, open your Palmpay app and log in using your registered credentials. After that, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen to access your account settings. Next, locate the KYC levels section. This is where you can see your current verification level and the transfer limits for each tier. To unlock higher transfer limits, select Upgrade to Tier 3. Follow the on-screen instructions to submit the required documents like a valid ID, SLP, and proof of address. These steps ensures your account is fully verified. Once you have uploaded everything, Palmpay will review your details. You will get a notification once your upgrade is approved. And that's it, you have successfully increased your transfer limit on Palmpay. Now you can enjoy more freedom and flexibility with your transactions. Don't forget to like and share this video if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching.